orchestras of Bauer, Johnston, and Wiesbrook. Today we are going to be going through the Sound Innovations book at page 25 and 26. Your assignment for March 16th and March 23rd. If you've already spent a lot of time on page 16 or page 25, that's okay. It's still good for you to go through it again. This is my daughter Sarah. She's going to be playing the violin, and I'm going to be playing the cello today. And basses and violas, don't worry, we're going to mix it up in a little bit, and you'll get to see some violin and viola, or viola and bass also. So, page 25 starts with new note, open G string. Violins, violas, cellos, you're going to be doing open G string. Basses, you're going to be doing 2 fingers on your E string. Make sure that second finger is kind of high. You can match it with your open G string and make sure they sound the same. So number 98, new note G string. Play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Great. Let's go to the next one. Number 90, new note C. Violins and violas, you're going to be using your 3rd finger on your G string. Cellos, you're going to be using 4 fingers on your G string. And basses, you're going to be using 2 fingers on your A string. So this is new note C, number 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Next, 91, C and G jumps. Before we play this one, I want you to say the note names with me. It's just really good to get to know what those notes look like on your staff. So say it with me. Ready? Go. C, 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 G, G, C, C, G, G, C, C, C. Play it with me. Ready, set, go. Great. Number 92, new note B. Violins and violas, that's 2 fingers on your G string. Cellos, 3 fingers on your G string. And basses, 1 finger on your A string. So, new note B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Great. 93, B and G jumps. Again, say the note names with me first. Ready? Go. B, 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 G, G, B, B, G, G, B, B, B. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're singing the wrong pitches. 94, new note A. Violins and violas and cellos, you have 1 finger on your G string. And basses, you have your open A. Here's 94, new note A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Next one, A and G jumps. I think we can do this one without saying the note names, so let's give it a try. Number 95, 1, 2, 3, 4. 96, going low. This one's a little more challenging. Let's say the note names first. Ready? Go. C, C, B, B, A, G, G. A, B, 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 C, 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 G. Let's try playing it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's go to number 97. This one is a little tricky. For one thing, it's in 3/4 time signature, which means there's 3 beats in a measure. There's also eighth notes and, of course, all those G string notes. So let's say it one time first. Ready, go. G, A, B, D, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, G. That's a tricky one. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now the G major scale. Some of you have already done this before. It's not hard. Violins and violas, you're just doing the D scale, but you start on the G string, and you do the G string and the D string instead of the D string and the A string. Basses, you're going to start on your E string with 2 fingers, and you're going to go all the way to your open G string. All right, so let's give this a try. Basses, they do not have you shifting. Great. So here we go. G major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Number 99, the G major arpeggio. We talked about, some of you talked about this last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago now. Arpeggio is a chord that's broken up and played one note at a time. So the G major arpeggio is the notes G, are the notes G, B, D, and G. Say the note names with me first. Ready? Go. G, B, D, G, D, B, G. Ready, set, go. Great. Violins and violas, do make sure that you're not getting a pancake wrist. Keep your wrist nice and straight. All right. Next one, a new way to play D. Cellos, this is just a review for you, nothing new. Violins and violas, you're practicing using your pinky instead of playing your open D. You're going to use your pinky on the G string, and that's the same thing as playing open D. Basses, they have you shifting to second position here. So you're going to put your first finger on your C, and your fourth finger will be on the D, and this is on your A string. If you're not comfortable with that, just go ahead and play it normal first position. That's all right. So here's a new way to play D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Did your fourth finger D match your open D, violins and violas? If not, you can try it again and see if you can make those match. The last one on this page, number 101, is a real song, not just an exercise. It's called Go Tell Aunt Rhody. It has something called D, C, Al fine. And DC means go back to the beginning. Al fine means play to the end. And in Italian, fine means the end. So you're going to play the whole song through and then play the first line one more time. We're going to take it nice and slow. This is a great song that you can work on and enjoy playing because it's a song versus an exercise. So here's Go Tell Aunt Rhody, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Thanks for playing along with me. I miss you all. I hope that you're staying well and getting some rest, and keep practicing.